Will Brexit have a negative effect on accessibility laws? The European Union has definitely improved accessibility laws in the UK and is still pioneering more legislation, which the UK has now missed out on now that Brexit has taken place. At the current state of negotiations, it is too early to say if Brexit will have a negative effect on accessibility legislation. EU law currently prevents rights being rolled back below a certain level, so without it, future UK governments will be able to make changes to existing rights. Whether or not the UK keeps up with EU developments will be determined by UK and Welsh government policy. So, how worried should we be about possible rollback of accessibility rights? We asked Charles Whitmore from the Wales Governance Centre at Cardiff University to comment on the issue.
We don't expect an immediate rollback of rights as a result of Brexit. I think the bigger concern stems from the fact that the EU are currently in the process of introducing a variety of improvements that the UK will probably miss out on now. So for example, with the EU Accessibility Act, they're in the process of introducing improvements to the accessibility of ATMs and banking services. The EU is also introducing a system of mutual recognition for disability status, which will make it much easier for disabled people to travel across the EU without having to worry about accessing services in foreign countries. There are also a variety of rights that might be rolled back, so we're quite concerned around the area of healthcare and travel, for example. It might become more expensive for disabled people to travel to the EU after Brexit as a result of having to buy private travel insurance. It's also possible that the rights in the United Nations Convention on the Rights of Disabled People will become less enforceable in the UK as a result of Brexit. I think we're quite lucky in Wales though. Some of these issues are devolved, so we can work quite closely with disabled people's organisations and with the Welsh Government to ensure that these rights aren't rolled back. So for example, we're currently undertaking research on how to strengthen human rights in the aftermath of Brexit in Wales that isn't taking place in other parts of the UK, for instance. Overall, I think it's really important that you keep working with your disabled people's organisations, and if it looks like rights are being rolled back, make your voices heard, work with your local organisations, and push back against that.
If you want to know more about accessibility legislation, follow the links in the description box below, and don't forget to like and subscribe.